Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create DeepSeek account in a very and easy steps. Search for DeepSeek. Click DeepSeek. Start now. Just if you have your account, just insert your email or phone number, then password. You can log into your account, but if I don't have, so I sign up. Now just insert your email address and password. Again, insert password. Send code. Now we have to get a verification code. Yes, this code I need. Control copy. Yes, sign up. Save. Now I have my DeepSeek account and I can use it. That's all. Have a nice day.